Hey, welcome to today's lesson about meeting new friends. 你将学会 You will learn 自我介绍 self-introduction and how to ask simple question to your new friends. Let's get started. But first, let me show you my self-introduction. 你好，你好。我叫 Jim， 我叫 Jim， 我是台湾人，我是台湾人，我是老师，我是老师，我喜欢旅游，我喜欢旅游，我不喜欢看电视。我不喜欢看电视。Okay, let's break it down. 你好，我叫 Jim， 我是老师，我是台湾人，我喜欢旅游，我不喜欢看电视。The first sentence is the greeting. You can say 你好 or 大家好 to be polite when meeting someone or a group for the first time. Next is your name. 我叫 Jim. 我 means I. 叫 means be called. 我叫 Jim means I am Jim or my name is Jim. So the structure is subject 叫 then 名字 name 名字 For example, 我叫 Jim. 你叫 Bob. I know you are not Bob. Just for example, 你叫 Bob. 他 he or she 他叫 Jenny. 他叫 Jenny. The third sentence is about nationality. 我是台湾人。我是台湾人。我 means I. 台湾人 means Taiwanese. So we connect 我 and 台湾人 connect with 是. It's like is and are in English. So 我是台湾人 means I am Taiwanese. The structure is subject 是 and the country 国家 country and 人 For example, 我是美国人美国 means the United States. We add 人 it will become American. And 加拿大 means Canada. We add 人 means Canadian. So it's the same. 日本 means Japan. So we add 人 means Japanese. So the whole sentence will be 我是美国人你是加拿大人他是日本人 Next is your job. 我是老师老师 means teacher. Again, we use 是 connect 我 and 老师 So 我是老师 means I am a teacher. So the structure is subject 是 and 职业 job 职业 For example, 我是老师你是学生你是学生他是医生他是医生 Finally is interest 我喜欢旅游喜欢 means like 旅游 means travel So the structure is subject 喜欢 and 活动 活动 activities 活动。For example， 我喜欢打球。你喜欢看书。看书。他喜欢逛街。逛街。To talk about things you don't like, we use negation. 我不喜欢看电视。We put 不 before like. So the structure is subject 不喜欢。不喜欢 activity 活动。For example， 我不喜欢唱歌。你不喜欢走路。走路。他不喜欢运动。